Look at my report card. Wow.
This is amazing.
We are so proud of you, Lily. You worked very hard, Lily.
Open it and see what's inside.
A laptop. Thank you, Dad. You're welcome, sweetie.
We thought you'd love it.
I do. It's the best present ever. My result is next. Maybe I will get a big gift, too. Nora, this is a C grade.
Oh, no. I'm sorry, Dad, but do I have a gift?
Your apology matters, Nora.
Yes, Nora. This is for you.
But, Dad, it's so small.
Just wait and see.
An alarm clock?
You sleep too much. You play games too much. You need to know the value of time. Remember this. Gifts come from hard work. Gifts are not free.
This is not fair. This is not fair. Mom and Dad love her. They do not love me. Maybe I should break it. I am not special. Nora, are you okay? No. I do not want anything. Are you okay, Nora? Be quiet, Lily. I was just trying to help, Nora. You think you are better than me because of your laptop. Nora, stop. Let's calm down.
Do not speak to your sister like that.
I am not hungry. Nora walked away with a heavy heart. Maybe the alarm clock was too small.
I don't think that's it.
Oh, yeah.
I do not want to hurt her heart.
But she needs to learn.
If she does not work hard now...
I know, dear.
The clock is a lesson, not a punishment.
Yes, I understand. It was not because they hate me. It was a lesson. I cannot do this. I do not understand anything. Nora? Hey. Nora, please? Can we talk? I do not want to talk.
I came because you are my sister.
Then why does it feel like I am always behind you? You are not behind me, Nora. I try so hard and still fail.
Nora.
That does not mean you are not smart. You just need help. We are a team. Would you really help me? Yes, if you want. After how I behaved?
Of course. You are my sister. I love you. I am sorry, Lily.
Let us start today.
We will do this together. Okay.
But what if I get it wrong? Then you learn. That is how it works. Is the answer 12?
You're doing great, sweetie.
Yes. That is right. Really? I got it right?
Yes. Every day, Nora and Lily study together. Ring, ring, ring. Oh, I guess it's morning. No. I will get up.
Nora starts using her time better. She studies before playing games.
Lily, I am so tired.
Let us break it into small steps.
Okay. Step by step. I get it. I get it now. This is actually fun now. I do not understand this part. Let me see. Maybe if we try this? Look here. Try this way.
I solved this by myself. That's amazing, Nora. She studies, takes breaks, and studies again. Do not be scared. Just tell us.
Look at this.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nora got an A.
I really tried this time. We're so proud of you, Nora.
You certainly did, sweetie.
We are so proud of you. Look at the 10A+. That's amazing.
This is for you, Nora.
We're We're so proud of you. She earned it. It is a laptop. Wow!
We thought you'd love it.
I do. Thank you. Aren't you going to use it? In a minute. Thank you for helping me. You did the hard work. Now I understand. That's right. We knew you would. Gifts come from effort. And this clock now I know it was a lesson. The laptop is nice, but the time I saved and the work I did are the real gift.